guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today is the release day for MFT, so I'm going to share these really cute products with you. I have a coupon if you spend $100 or more. It's our Buy More, Save More program. Use code SAVE10 for 10% off all orders over $100. I also have a free with 60. It's this stencil here. It's from the new release. It's called Rectangle Trio. It'll pop into your cart if you spend $60 or more after all discounts. And it is a trio here of a thin, skinny rectangle. It looks really cute with some ink blending and then your image or a few images here facing this way. Take a look at the samples on the website. It's really, really cute. There's also two new stencils. This one here makes waves. There's different sizes. So you will stencil and you can see it'll make a wave here. By looking at it this way, it kind of looks like clouds. And then we've also got this one, and it's called Inward Elements. I think that one goes great with the sharks. So we have some summer themed products. Let's take a look at the paper first. We've got this one, Positively Peppy. They're 6x6 paper pads and 2 of each design, double-sided. And then we've got the Summertime Polka Dots, and these are tiny little polka dots. They're very, very cute, very pretty colors. And all these paper pads kind of coordinate with the colors. And this one is called Fun in the Sun. It's got some nice bright colors. And this little polka dots here, there's actually a stamp. So the stamp here, it's a background stamp called Splashy Dots background, so that's available. Here's another background stamp, Peony Perfection, really pretty flower. And we'll start with these. Hooray Kind of Day. So this is a nice stamp set from Stacy Yakula. She has beautiful images. I love her drawings and her style. We've got a cute little rabbit, a little bear holding a banner, a fox pulling a cart, and a little like hedgehog holding a balloon. The sentiments read, I love you this much, hip hip hooray, love you, you fill my heart all the way to the top. And there is a coordinating die available. From Birdie Brown, we've got 2 new stamp sets. So we've got some really cute cats. This one here is called Catstrophe. And we've got, I love that one. It's so cute. Got some really cute expressions, and this one is really funny. He's like, no, I did not do it. And then we've got little torn up tissue box, a spilled glass of milk. That looks like the Roomba. How many cats love standing on the Roomba and then going around the house? I could picture that. Fishbowl, some little paws there. You can have a little trail like the cat stepped in the milk. Super cute. So the sentiments here read, heard you had a catastrophe. You're my favorite person. A friend like you comes along once in 9 lives. Hello, I get grumpy when you're not around. Meow, purr, meow, you did it, or meow did it. Life is messy, friends help. And you can also pair them up with the little dog stamp set and have them together in your card. So this one here is called Woof Pack. Oh, and there is a coordinating die for the kitty one. And then this one also has like little torn up things. So we've got a dog bed or a pillow. There's a little like ice cream treat that had fallen on the floor. A crumpled up piece of paper with a trash can. There's a ball, speech bubble, and then the cute dogs. Aw, he looks sad. And then we've got the sentiments. I'm a mess without you. You had me at woof. I'm itching to see you. Sorry life been so rough. I love you more than treats. Nobody knows me like you. Let's party. It's your birthday. Woofing you a happy birthday, and rough and woof. And then there's a coordinating die available. This one's kind of cool. I like how big these sentiments are and the font on here. So we've got woo woo, yes, yay, woohoo, congrats, you did it, rad, totally, and you are awesome. And then there's some big speech bubbles. This one's called Positively Peppy Pennants. And you get 2 pennants and then these little sentiments that will fit in the pennants, which is really fun. We've got the coordinating die to cut out the pennants, and then you get this kind of layering die. So this, you can cut this out and layer it on top of this, so this turns into the shadow. And then you can also stamp in there. So that is cool. And then the summary stamps, we've got the new Pure Innocence, Sunny Days Ahead. And she's all ready for the beach or the pool. And it says, thanks for being my lifesaver. Hello, summer. Wishing you sunny days ahead. Here are some wave dies. This one's called Ocean Motion. This is a set of 4 different sizes of waves. Perfect for all your summer cards. Sharky sentiments. So we've got these cute little sentiments that go with this new shark die. Today is going to be jawsome. Birthday shark, do 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 do. It's cake chomping time. Take a bite out of a cake. Or take a bite out of cake. Have a killer birthday. You're fantastic. I choose you. Keep on smiling. Hello, chum, and let's do lunch. So you can put this little shark together. Makes a cute little shark. And then we've got sunny vibes. Cute little critters at the beach here. Sending sunny vibes. Warmest birthday wishes. Have a relaxing day. Hello, sending sunshine. And we've got the little critters all ready for the beach. There's even a little car with a surfboard. And then here is the coordinating die. And best fins. So cute little set with an underwater theme. You got your little bear hair scuba diving. And then there's some plants and coral that you could decorate the bottom of the ocean with. There's a coordinating die as well. The sentiments read, here's a pinch to grow an inch. Send an ocean of love. You make my goggles fog. You're my best fin. It's your birthday, dive into fun. And I smile from fin to fin when I'm with you. So really cute release. I'll have the link down below to the MFT section in the shop. Lots of new goodies in the shop, so check that out. I'm still doing free shipping with US orders over $35. So I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care, guys. Bye.